Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare an egg yolk. First, gently crack a fresh, cold egg on a flat surface. This helps prevent the yolk from breaking. Carefully open the shell into two halves over a bowl, allowing the egg white to begin separating. Then, gently pass the yolk back and forth between the two shell halves, letting the remaining white drip into the bowl below. Aim for a clean separation. For a perfectly clean yolk, you can also use your clean hands. Gently scoop the yolk out of the white, letting any clinging white slide off your fingers. Another clever method involves an empty plastic water bottle. Squeeze the bottle, place its opening over the yolk, and release to suction the yolk inside. This technique is excellent for precise separation, ensuring no white contaminates your pure yolk. Now, let's transform these yolks into a culinary delight by curing them. First, combine equal parts fine salt and granulated sugar in a shallow dish. Create small, shallow indentations in this mixture, about 1 inch apart. Gently place each separated egg yolk into its own indentation. Then, carefully cover each yolk completely with more of the salt and sugar mixture, ensuring they are fully submerged. After covering, refrigerate your yolks for 4 to 7 days. This curing process draws out moisture, firming them up. Once cured, gently rinse each yolk under cold water to remove the salt and sugar mixture. Carefully pat them completely dry with a paper towel. These firm, flavorful cured yolks can then be grated over pasta, salads, or toast, adding a rich, umami depth to many dishes. Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.